Alrighty guys, so I'm here at Lamborghini Charlotte. I think these are employee cars right here. I don't know whose car this is. Obviously, it's not, I don't think it's anybody that works here, but I came to show you is this bad boy. That's a rare car. Service department is back there. I hope it's not open. Nope, they're not open. The door's not open, so I'm just gonna show you this. Oh my god, Yalpa, whatever, I don't know. What in the world? Looks like a barn find almost. Just beat the crap, but you know. Oh. What in the world? Look at that. I wonder if it runs. Oh my god. Alright, but they have crazy cars inside, so I got a few clips. I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'm gonna head to McLaren Charlotte. Alrighty guys, it doesn't say Mclaren Auto Group anymore. It says McLaren Charlotte, but holy crap, I really just don't know where to start with this. Look, all this inventory, bro. The inventory is absolutely insane. Look at the Bentayga over there, 2 race. So I driven a race. I drove 2 Ghosts yesterday. Well, I drove a Dawn and a Ghost yesterday and the day before. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm waiting for my guy Darius to come out here. Obviously we're going to go to the Lambos later, but look at this F12. I'm not a Ferrari fan, but this would be it right here if I had to buy a Ferrari. 720s. I never experienced one of those. Hopefully we get lucky today, but you probably will not be taking a ride in one. That's insane. But this one caught my eye. This bad boy right here. So I don't think it's on manual because I didn't know that. Sorry. 600 LT. What in the actual? You guys can't see the interior because of tinted windows, but it's insane. I just, oh, wow. And look at this one. Ooh, I almost dropped the camera there. Oh, they got, whoa, I didn't even realize that. Look at all these 600s. What in the world? There's another, I think there's a 488 over there. F12, F430, 560 Spider. There's an R8, some 570s right here, Rolls Royces, Bentleys over there. Ooh, Aston Martins back here, which I did see a V8 Vantage not too long ago when I was in Charleston. This isn't too bad right here. Ooh, I like that. I don't know how much I like the front end, but I mean, it looks cool. I don't really like the, well, that steering wheel's not square. I'm thinking about the DBS or whatever. That's really nice. I would love to drive one of these, except, oh my god, look at the back, I almost fell. That's why I said, oh my god, initially. What in the world, man? Their inventory is just stupid insane, bro. Look at that. Look at the line of McLaren right there. What in the world? It's R8. I like R8s. They drive really cool, really nice. I like a Huracan, but easier, I guess you could say. Yeah, a lot easier actually. H1, that does not drive easy at all. I've driven one of those, almost just like that, same color. That is insane. I might have to ride in one of those and a 720s. This, I feel like this was just at our dealership actually. I hate that color, to be honest with you. Bentaygas are really nice. Obviously, if you haven't seen my video when I was in Lamborghini Orlando and we looked at a Bentayga, you should go watch it because my dad was really funny in that one. I don't know why it's not Oh, so manual mode, that's probably why. Check it out. It's getting hot out here. This H1 looks pretty mean. I don't know what the heck, but they got some pretty cool cars inside. But I'm gonna go in there and see if I can get some footage. It's kind of dark, it's actually really dark in there. But we're gonna go in there and see what we can get, see what we can find. Told you guys, pretty insane. It's like a Verde Ithaca color almost. 720s Spider. Performantes. I like this one. I've never seen Performante like that on there. On that back part like that. That Ford carbon. Oh my god. And this one is supercharged with a 4-cylinder package on it, whatever. Ooh, I didn't even notice that up there. That's pretty crazy. Cameras do not do these cars justice. Another 600. What in the world?
What was that one?
I was just chilling there.
Yeah. Oh, what was the other car you said?
Oh, it's Sparta.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. I'm a sucker for metallic paint, bro. Alrighty guys, so these told me Mclaren, the name Mclaren, whatever you want to call it, is done. That's done for, it's completely gone. So McLaren is here now because of a showroom in Uptown only could fit like 15 cars and it's being renovated. So once it's renovated, it could only fit like maybe 15, 20 cars. So then they're gonna, you know, it's gonna be completely redone once they move it back over there. Completely refaced, look like a McLaren showroom, and they're gonna keep like maybe a finance and a sales guy here, and my friend Darius works up in the Uptown one. And so, yeah, so actually what we're about to do is take out a black 720, I think. I assume it might be this one. Was this here before? I don't even know if this was here before, hold on. But I think we're about to go out in the 720 right now. No fuel cap on there, I think that's going this there. I think that one was just in service or something. He's grabbing a key right now. We're gonna go have some fun, baby. Alrighty guys, so out of all these Lambos, I'd probably have to pick I don't know, I had dreams about this one when I was younger. 560 Spider. I do like this one with the wing on it. Oh man, but I do like the McLaren. Oh, damn. But there's a Ventador SV inside. Oh, okay, it'd be a Ventador SV, obviously. But if it wasn't one of those, it'd have to be, I think this one, with the aftermarket wheels on it. Probably has exhaust on it too, or something like that. I like the wing. The wing is what gets me. Yeah, tint tail lights. I like that. But yeah, this is the one like I would have like dreams about almost. Like I would think about this. Oh, I hit the camera out. Sorry. Dreams about. Ooh, wait a minute. Ooh, look at that. Oh, gold wheel or bronze wheels, something like that. Color tips. This definitely has an exhaust on it, doesn't it? You can't see. I don't know why I'm putting your camera up there or my camera up there. You guys can't see. Yeah, buddy. You guys know what that sounds like, right? Door handle right there. Ooh. This is my guy Darius that you guys probably I told you about earlier. Ooh, and he's the plug today. Huge plug. I've never been to 720s, and I think he's about to probably Terry scared the shit out of me. Wasn't underground racing back here?
Yeah, they moved.
Where they moved to?
I don't know, man. They keep everything
they're so secret. When I was younger, we went back here and accidentally found them. Yeah. And they let us come in, but they didn't want us taking pictures. Obviously, we did, so they kicked us out. Yeah. Like the address is right down the corner of the street, obviously. I mean, I would be too. They got like the fastest freaking fastest Lambos on earth.
Yeah. So yeah, you're right. I mean, of course, you want to keep that stuff on the ground. What's great about this car is like how, you know, like just no effort out of the car.
And I'm trying not to. I mean, I like it, but I just feel bad because I'm like a Lamborghini fanboy. But
Bro, trust
like
me,
the
I was
door.
listen, I was the same way. Bro, you couldn't tell me nothing when it came to Lamborghini. I thought that was the best thing ever. And then I get with McLaren, I'm like, all right, let's give it a shot. This 720 is like, why wouldn't you run it?
Yeah, I don't know. And it's like faster than freaking everything.
Yeah, it's like, to say an LT version got to come, it's coming. It's like, come on, bro. Like, you mean to tell me something faster than the current one is coming? Like, that's insane. They said the LT version of this car is going to be the 7.
But, oh, I don't even know what to say to that.
Yeah.
Where's the seat controls at? When I got in Ricky's, I was trying to move the seat controls. Okay.
Yeah. They kind of put them in a funny way, though.
Yeah, I couldn't figure it out because, you know, Ricky's tall and he was like, yeah, man, start it up. And I was like, I can't reach the freaking brakes, man. That's weird. Oh, there we go. What's that? Oh, okay. And the move's weird too. It's like,
Yeah.
you let go and it kind of slows to a stop. That's weird. That really is a weird way to. So now I'm just moving up. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm about to break stuff. That's why I gotta stay in Porsche in my peasant cars.
Cut the car off, get back into that air and be going.
It's a nice key too. And you get it like paint. Wait, is this one the same color as the exterior?
No,
Oh,
you can get that though.
Yeah, I've seen that. We're going around this turn. Wow, like it's nothing, bro.
Oh yeah, it's the explainer. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Camera dies. That's why I'm recording on my phone. Oh my god, guys. What the? Is this? Oh my, the sounds. Oh, you can't even get that on video, man. That's crazy. I'm living in Charleston, man.
Tell me about it, bro. People think that it's more expensive here. I'm like, bro, Charleston is expensive, bro. Like,
Real expensive.
like one thing about this city is like you can get to everything really quick. So you can literally live in South Carolina and still be okay.
It sounds so good too, man. Oh my god. Oh wow.
It just explain it, bro. Like you trust it, bro. It's
Oh my
crazy.
god. Man, listen, I know my name's LamboDEB. It might have to be MC Deb or something like that now. I don't even know. Man, I like this.
Just like how much you can, as far as vision, like you can see completely out of the back.
Yeah, I heard that was like the big thing about it is you can see everything because it has that window right there and everything's glass. You got a lot of space back there too. The sounds that Bowers and Wilkins, however you say that.
Yeah, okay.
And Mclaren 720s might be the move for me. I don't know when. I'm talking like I could buy one, but like that. Oh my god. That's not no joke.
Look at the wing.
Ooh, the wing just went straight up for the air brake. That.
That way
Ooh.
when it goes up like that, you can't see the rear mirror.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. camera died in the first pull he did, so I recorded a little bit on my phone. But right now I'm going to the back because he said there was like an Aventador back here with some kind of kit on it. All right, Ferrari, I like the T-Rex. This is here because the suspension light or something was coming on. This is the Aventador he was talking about. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Yeah. Look at this. Oh my God. Yo, man. I forget what this color is called. A Rancio, something like that. What? Spoilers look like it. I don't know how much I like the spoiler flipped upside, or not literally flipped upside down, but you know. Man, I hope we get to take this. No, this is somebody's car, isn't it? Yeah, it has a South Carolina plate on it, actually. So let's see. Ooh, that's nice. I like that a lot. It looks like some kind of glitter or something in the sun. Look at it. Yeah, all right. Hop in this bad boy. Oh, spider web in my head. Man, I can just see myself driving this like not everywhere, but you know what I mean. All the time, every Saturday, every Sunday, dude. You can. I was telling my coworker yesterday, I said, man, if I had a Lambo, that value would tank so quick because I'd be driving all the time. I'd be putting so many 718. Like, damn, man. Damn it, man. Oh yeah, go fire that baby up. Yeah, it's so crazy. Because usually, when the car starts up, you can feel it, you can hear it from down there, and it vibrates your feet. But it's weird because it's in the air. That is the weirdest freaking thing ever, bro. Oh my God. Oh, you listen to the turbos. Oh, golly. I'm starting to be a real McLaren fan now, man. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Damn, son. That's loud. I hit it again. Damn. Man. That is insane. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Man, huge thank you to my guy Nate. I just met Nate. Nate's a really cool dude. He's from Charleston too. We talk a lot about a lot of things. You already know, man. Nate, you know who you are. Obviously, you know who you are. You're Nate. Huge shout out to Darius. Darius used to live in Charleston too. He used to work at Baker. He obviously was the one giving me the ride in 720s. And sorry, my camera died. I should have checked the battery before I left. It was like that first little notch was off. But man, oh, there goes. You guys probably saw that. Hey, that McLaren that just passed by, the 570 GT, that is from Charleston, actually. Get in here real quick. Man, I'm glad I came here, man. That 720 was something else, bro. Oh my God, it was fast as going around corners. Oh my God, but let's see. I guess this is the end of this video. I gotta go get something to eat, go back home. I'll upload this video. It's let's see, Thursday, so I might have it uploaded tomorrow, maybe. Depends on how I feel when I get home. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff, and I will see you when I see you.